Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Yandex browser in Windows 11 operating system. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type Yandex browser download and hit enter key on your keyboard. The first link is from the browser.yandex.com. Open that link. Here we find Yandex browser beta version. Here is the download version. Version number is always changed. And for Windows, just click at here. Version number is always changed. Don't worry about the version number. Click at the download. Okay, now our download is started. Just click on show all. Here we find show in a folder. Okay, show in a folder. Okay, drag this to desktop. Close this. Now just double click on our setup file. Okay, uncheck all and just click on the install. Now our Yandex browser is installing in our Windows 11 PC. It's take time because it's first download files from the internet and then install it on your machine. So depending on the speed of your internet, it takes some time. So be patient and wait for some time. Just click on the any search engine. I just go with the Google. And here is our Yandex browser. Okay, open that. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install Yandex browser on Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.